In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Copilot to OneDrive. To get started, open Copilot and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find the account and app options that let you customize how Copilot works with other services. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different preferences, tools, and integrations. If you're following along for the first time, just take your time here and make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors option and click it. The Connectors section is where Copilot lets you link external apps and services so it can work more smoothly with the tools you already use. This is especially useful if you want Copilot to access your files and make your workflow more efficient. Once you're in Connectors, scroll through the available options until you find Microsoft OneDrive. At this point, what you see may depend on whether your account has already been linked before. If you haven't connected OneDrive yet, you'll see a Connect button next to Microsoft OneDrive. Go ahead and click that button to start the connection. If your OneDrive is already connected, you won't see the Connect button. Instead, you'll see a toggle. That simply means the connection has already been set up, and you can use the toggle to turn it on or off as needed. So if you're checking whether OneDrive is active, this is the place to confirm it. And that's really all there is to it. You just open Copilot, click your profile in the bottom left, go into Settings, open Connectors, and find Microsoft OneDrive. Then either click Connect if it hasn't been linked yet, or use the toggle if it's already connected. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see OneDrive in the list, make sure you're in the correct account or workspace, since available connectors can sometimes vary. It's also a good idea to give the page a second to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Once connected, Copilot can work more seamlessly with your OneDrive content, making it easier to access and use your files when needed.